Yeah, replacing Mirrow and 2014 RAV4. I just to take that piece off, which comes from here. Yeah, you just clip it and it comes out. Then you move out that little piece right here, and then you move this piece right here, which is this piece right here. You have to move that out. Then take this piece out, which is the plastic for here. Gonna take that out, all of that. Then these screw right there, and there's another one down here. And then you're gonna take those 3 bolts out last, because you gotta unplug the clip behind here. There's clips behind here you gotta take out, move the door covering. So right now I'm gonna remove this piece. See if there's one screw just fall on the ground. Alright, and then there's one more in here. Let's see. No. Alright. Well, I'll be right back when I take this door covering off.